Which balance should I use for budgeting and financial planning purposes?
Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to be discussing an important aspect of budgeting and financial planning, choosing the right balance for your calculations. Understanding the right balance to use is critical in creating an effective budget and executing a successful financial plan. It can make the difference between achieving your financial goals and falling short.
What are the different types of balances?
First, let's talk about the different types of balances. In banking, there are two main types: available balance and current balance. The available balance is the amount of money in your account that is available for you to use immediately. This number takes into account any holds, like checks that haven't cleared yet or pending transactions. On the other hand, the current balance is the total amount of money in your account, without accounting for any pending transactions or holds. This is basically your account balance at the start of the business day.
Which balance should I use for budgeting?
Now that we understand the different types of balances, which one should you use for budgeting? The answer is your available balance. Why? Because your available balance is the most accurate reflection of the money you have at your disposal. When budgeting, you want to base your financial planning on money that is immediately accessible to you, not money that is tied up in transactions that haven't cleared yet.
How can I make the most of my available balance?
Now, how can you maximize your available balance for budgeting? Here are a few tips. 1. Monitor your transactions regularly. Keeping an eye on your account will help you understand how your transactions affect your available balance. 2. Consider setting up direct deposit. This can help ensure your income is added to your available balance as quickly as possible. 3. Try to limit holds on your account. Holds can be caused by a variety of factors, from large checks to suspicious account activity. In conclusion, when you're budgeting and planning your finances, the best balance to consider is your available balance. It gives you the most accurate reflection of the funds you have at your disposal at any given time. By monitoring your transactions, setting up direct deposit, and limiting holds on your account, you can maximize this balance and achieve your financial goals. Remember, good financial management is a habit that takes time to develop, but the benefits are well worth the effort. We hope this video has been helpful, and wish you all the best in your budgeting journey.